Hey guys, I hope you're doing great and welcome back to another video. I've been away for a couple of months because of some personal problems, but now I am back and I am ready to continue creating tutorials on the channel. In this one, we are going to look at how we can create a swinging effect for something like a lamp. Here, as you can see, when I play, I have this lamp above my zombie, and as you can see, it has this swinging using physics constraint setups. It's not doing the rotation with a blueprint or code. So as you can see, it looks very natural and looks physically correct. So let's jump right in and see how we can set this up. Alright, here in our level we can add the actors we need and set the system up, but I prefer to wrap things up inside the blueprint so it's easier to control and manage. So let's right click in our content browser, create a blueprint class. For the parent, let's pick actor and name it BP swinging lamp. Then here in our blueprint, let's add a static mesh. And then for the static mesh, we need to define a mesh. Here I have this metal light, which is downloaded from Fab. So let's select this, then add it to our blueprint. We also need something to make it look it's connected to a roof or something like that. And I'm going to do it with adding a simple cylinder. So add, search for cylinder and adjust the scale. First, let's make it small, 0.02 maybe. And then let's increase the length. Maybe we can go with 0.01 now. Then let's add a material. So here I have these assets. Let's go with this. And now let's add our blueprint to our level. Great, it looks good. So now let's create the physics. All we need here is an anchor point, a physics constraint actor, and then using that we are going to connect our lamp to the anchor. So here let's add a sphere, then put it here and make it small. And somewhere here is going to work. And then again in my components tab, hit add, search for physics constraint. So here it needs 2 points, and using this section in the details tab we can define the components that we want to work with. So the first component is going to be our lamp. So I'm going to select this, copy the name, and then paste the name here. Now as you can see, it's recognizing the object and it wraps this red box around the object that you define. The next thing I need is the second component. So our sphere is going to be our second component. So again, let's copy and paste the name here. And now here we have this blue box around the sphere. Maybe we can make this a little bigger for now, so 0.02. And now we have our setup. Let's just put it here, and then we can add some rotation to all of these, so they start from somewhere here and then we can get the swing. Before that, we just need to make this cylinder a child to the main lamp, so they move together. And now we can adjust this. So let's rotate like this, then put it here. And then let's also put this somewhere here. Now let's compile. Then for this, make sure simulate physics is enabled. Compile, and now let's simulate and see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, it's working, but it's looking like this, right? We need to fix that. The reason it's looking like this is it's rotating around this point here. So we need to put it here to make sure it works right. So let's zoom in and put it somewhere here. Maybe just grab this, go upwards, then put this in the middle like this. And now I think it's going to work. Yeah, it's looking great. You can also make this sphere invisible. We don't need to see this. So here, just select the sphere, scroll down and disable this visibility option. And of course, you can add a spotlight to your lamp to have some light as well. So here, just add the spotlight, but make sure it's a child to the lamp. Then you can easily adjust the transform and put it somewhere here. And now, as you can see, we have the light as well. Let's bump it up. And it's going to look like this. Yep, that's it for this tutorial. If you learned something new, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.